little truck update, little race recap. Mike did the math the last 2 weekends between, well, actually for both the car and the truck, and both of us, we did probably about 40 to 45 laps. We had Test and Tune last Saturday. We had our local SCCA race. Shout out to TJ for helping me out during Test and Tune and really telling me and encouraging me and pushing me to get the truck to do what I want it to do. And to make me do what I should be doing as well as a driver. So TJ's the man. This weekend we had good guys. If you follow us on Instagram, then you know that Mike and I both placed second in our respective classes. Me in the truck class. Mike is in the pro class because he runs 315s on that huge blue beast in the background. We both had some formidable opponents in both of our classes, but man, we eked out second place. I beat out an all-wheel drive Ranchero just by, I don't know, half a second. How did I beat the Ranchero?
It's like 0.8.
0.8, but I lost to a 3100, and he was good. That was a good truck. And you lost out to Eric Sheely, right?
Yeah, I didn't have a chance.
No. I mean, you know, what are we gonna do? It was a blast, though. We had a massively great time with our car fam. Poor Lance broke, poor Valerie broke, but you know what? Everybody had a great time. We weren't expecting to make the shootout, and both of us did, so I don't know. Maybe we'll be able to repeat that someday, but who knows? It's racing. So one of the mods we made to my truck right before the race, literally the day before the race, was David Carroll watched my video from last week on Instagram and was like, hey, it kind of looks like you're driving a bus, and he's not wrong. So excuse the mess we haven't cleaned up from the weekend yet, but not all of the bits and pieces came in, but the NRG quick release came in, and it actually brings the steering wheel much closer to me. And sometimes I hit the horn when it goes off, but you know, it is what it is. So that made a good improvement for me driving this weekend. We do have 2 more bits and pieces coming in. I don't know, a couple more things. Yeah. This is going to be changed out. It's going to raise the column itself closer so then I can tilt the wheel down further. And we have an extension coming, right? So it'll bring the wheel even closer. So between that and a new rear sway bar, heavier rear sway bar for the truck, hopefully I'll be as set up as I can be for LS Fest next month. And you don't have any... Oh, you're getting the NRG on the car too before LS Fest. So a couple upgrades before LS Fest, but we've had a really incredible couple of weekends. We're both exhausted. We're looking forward to a little bit of a month off in between now and LS Fest, but thanks for following. Stay tuned for more content.